Jim Laverty with This Old Coach Everything RV. Just going through a few pictures here of the RV renovation. There's some backsplash that I put in. Took a couple days, about $200. Came out really nice. I'm happy with it. And this is the old carpeting, the old table, and the couch that I got out the door. And this is the beginning part of putting the flooring in the slide out. As you can see how nicely that came out. It's beautiful. Also, this is the beginning part of putting the flooring in the main cabin, taking the captain's chair out, putting it back in. This is underneath the kitchen sink, and working our way down the center aisle there. This is where I had to put a new subfloor in because of a leak in the window. It took a few days to do that. Yeah, and some more pictures of the center aisle main cabin there. You can see how nicely it's coming done. And here's the bathroom, and it finished. And this is the entryway that took a lot of time to do. And I put that laminate all around the exterior part of the slide. And this is the primer coat that I put on the slide, and how good it turned out. The main paint job I did there, and came out really good, and I'm super happy, and I'm glad that you guys are joining with me in the journey. This is the light that I put in and redid, and that's the final picture there with the RV blinds put back up, and the flooring and the baseboard and everything that is done to date. And so I had fun doing this, so I hope you guys got some ideas and encouraged you in your RV remodel. Bye-bye.